Hello friends, welcome to karmatech. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to bookmark a website in Safari. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply open Safari browser in your Mac, and it doesn't matter if you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac or Mac Mini, the steps are going to be same. Now why it is important to bookmark a website. See, if you are working on a particular website or a specific website each and every day, and whenever you open browser, all you have to do is just simply go to the search bar, enter the website name, and then you go to that particular website. Instead of doing all this, you can simply bookmark that website and you can directly access it from the home page under favorites. So you can see I have iCloud over here. If I tap on it, it will directly take me to that website. So if you want to bookmark a website, just search for that website name initially, and once you are on that page, just go to bookmarks over here on the menu bar, select that and select add bookmark. Shortcut for that is Command D. So either you can use keyboard shortcut or you can select add bookmark over here. You will get a pop-up screen like this. Now the first option is add this page to. You can select the location where you want to save this. So you can keep it under favorites, or else if you have created a folder, you can select that particular folder, right? Currently I'm going to keep it in favorites only, so I'm going to select favorites. You can rename the website if you want to. You can add description if you want to. Once everything is done, simply tap on add. Now it is done. So if I go back, this time you can see I have added this particular website over here. So whenever I open this browser and if I tap on it, I can access that website directly. So I don't have to go to the search bar and enter the website name each and every time, right? One more thing, if you go to this sidebar over here and if you go to bookmarks under favorites, again you can check the bookmarks over here. And if you want to remove any website, then all you can do is right click and you can select delete option, or else on the starting page you can just hover your pointer, or you can point the cursor over there on the website, right click and then delete. It will remove that website from the list. So yeah, that's an additional information if you want. And that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you have understood that how to bookmark a website in Safari browser. So yeah, if you find this video informative, don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.